Guys, today I'm gonna show you these, and my name is Rihanna, and it's gonna be super fun. It costs $4.94, and
we got it at Walmart, right?
And we're gonna show you all of these animals. So let's take it out. These how they look like. And now we're gonna do it like this one.
Hold on, we're doing a video. It's because it's got tape.
I know it was tape.
Sorry guys, the packaging is kind of crazy. There's a bunch of tape on there, so we have to take a little bit of time. We probably should have done this before. Hold on, let me put the computer down.
Okay, you got it.
Okay. A lot of them are the same, Rihanna, so you don't have to show every single one. Okay, now show them.
So this is the cutest one.
It's a dolphin.
Yeah, and it goes in the water. And this one is the tiniest one.
It's a giraffe.
And there's
Can you show them? Here's this one, which is the giraffe.
This is the cutest cat. I like it.
This is the dolphin.
Mom. This is the fish.
Fish.
And this is a unicorn. And I love unicorns.
And these are called sun catchers, so you can paint them and then you can put them next to the sun and you can see the colors on them. It's a really fun project for the kids. So.
And here's the cutest doggy.
And it's cute.
It's smiling. And this is a butterfly. I like butterflies.
And the last one is
a turtle.
A turtle.
And it's so cute.
Now they have bigger ones, guys. Hold on a minute. They have bigger ones at Walmart and they sell them separately. Like they're a little bit, well, like this is like probably half the size than the ones that they have single. And the single ones would be like 57 cents each. So you get a total of, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. You get a total of 8 of them. And the paint for $4.94, so it's actually a pretty good price. The other way, I would have bought 4. That would have been already $2 and some, and I would have had to have paid extra for the paints. The paints separately would have been about I think it was like under $3. So I think it was better this way. Okay, so show them.
Okay. So they have these, so we could hang them up.
Yeah, these are like little suction. You can actually put it on the window.
And look, guys, and there's a little thing, so you could hang them up.
Yeah.
All of them. And now they have paints, and this one is purple, and this one is blue. And now all of these colors.
So hopefully that's enough paint for all of these.
Red. Orange, yellow, and green.
Okay. It's okay. I know it.
So they have more of these.
Yeah, we have a lot of these little sections. I think there's about 8 of them. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do some. And we will be putting them on our homeschool page, right?
And they have a little brush.
Yeah.
So we could paint it. But me and Remy are gonna have to share with this, but
no, we have extra brushes.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching this.
And hopefully you guys buy it.
And it's super cool.
For your kids, so they can have fun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.